Alright, make our way upstairs where there are 3 bedrooms. Here we have the master bedroom. Master bath. And on the other side here we have the walk-in closet, which you can see inside there. Coming out of the master bedroom, to the right we have another full bath. The view of pool outside. Alright, bedroom number 2. With the walk-in closet in the second bedroom. Bedroom number 3 seems to be a little bit larger than the second bedroom. There's a cubby hole there. So this bedroom does not feature a walk-in closet. It's the standard closet with, not sure what this feature here is, but there seems to be a little cubby hole inside this closet here. Not very big, but it's different. I've never seen this before. Bedroom number 3. And all the bedrooms on the upper level. Alright, if we go back through the kitchen and through the laundry room, we can make a right through the laundry room right before we get to the garage, and there is another set of stairs that leads up to a bonus room, which looks like it could be used as either an office, television room, maybe a 4th bedroom. There's no closet in here, so I don't know if a 4th bedroom would be ideal. Access to the attic. Oh no, a little cubby hole, a little storage cubby hole. Thought that was access to the attic. Right now out in the backyard, this is the door off the family room. See the swimming pool. There's the Carolina room there. And even with the swimming pool in place, there's still a good portion of yard so it's a pretty decent lot size. It's about almost a half an acre lot. And storage shed. And as I mentioned in my emails, a lake view. Here's a lake out here in the backyard. Back of the home. And we're going to go around to the front side of the house. Alright, here we have a front view of the home. The main part of the house. Two nice trees in the front yard. And then the double garage. This is the side of this home. And then a view of the front yard. Right there. From the front porch. View of the front yard. And this is 7028 Lake Trail. This is a beautiful home also. Very nice home.